Hey y'all, it's Nicole from Wildflower Valley Farm. I just wanted to do a really quick update. This will be a very short video. I wanted to do a really quick update on the seeds that I started on Sunday. Today is Tuesday, and I wanted to show you most things have not sprouted. I'm not counting Sunday as the first day because it was so late by the time I got everything in the dirt. So late in the day that I really am not counting that as day one. I'm counting Monday as day one, which would mean today is day two. And while you can't really see much activity going on in most of these, I wanted to show you these. If you can see that right there, those seeds are sprouting already. And so is that one. And that one. And those two. And that one. And a few others. And while I am a little bit surprised that the seeds were sprouting already today with it being day two, I'm not totally shocked because it was 80 degrees today. And kind of the whole purpose of putting these seeds in this container, this little miniature greenhouse here, was to give them a boost, to get them to start quickly, because I really kind of should have started them at least a week, maybe 2 weeks ago. So, I'm really excited that those are doing well. They are the only ones that I can tell have sprouted so far. But like I said, most of the other ones are not above the soil enough to tell. Those little tiny ones are just right on the surface. And most everything else is either too small to see the seed, or it is under the dirt enough that you can't tell either way. So, and if you're thinking that my soil is too wet, I literally just watered everything before I started filming this. So hopefully things will dry out a little better by in the morning. If not, I can drain it a little bit and we'll just kind of see how things go. So thanks for checking us out. Thanks for following me on this update. And don't forget to hit the like button down below if this video is something that a subject matter that you have enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so that you'll be notified anytime that we upload a new video. And look in the description down below to find links to our social media channels on Facebook, Instagram, and our website. Thanks for watching. Bye.